Mikhail Gorbachev, tearing down walls, building bridges. Mikhail Gorbachev didn't just end the Cold War, he redefined it. In a world divided by iron curtains and fear, Gorbachev stepped up and said, "Let's talk." His policies of glasnost openness and perestroika restructuring weren't just about changing the Soviet Union. They were about changing the mindset of a generation. He didn't just tear down walls, he built bridges between enemies. Sure, it wasn't always smooth sailing. Russia had its fair share of turmoil. But Gorbachev showed that sometimes leadership means taking risks and shaking up the status quo. Lesson: real leadership is about breaking barriers, mental, political, or emotional, and connecting with others. Even when it's uncomfortable, be the one who pushes for change. The world's walls are only as strong as the leaders who fear them. Tear them down, build bridges, and keep moving forward.